unboxing the Ninja ice cream maker. This product is highly rated and helps you create recipes for your own liking. You can make frozen treats and you can really customize them, whether you're dairy or gluten-free or if you want something just less processed. This has so many different options. Before you can enjoy your nice treat, you really need to start with the mixture and you have to let it sit overnight or at least 12 hours. I also recommend when you are using the pint, you want to put it down like flat, sitting evenly, so you have a nice leveled surface when it's finished. Here you can see I am doing bananas, so I'm making sure they're mashed up in pretty much a liquid consistency, but there are tons of different other recipes you could do. After frozen, I recommend maybe letting it thaw for 5 to 10 minutes, get it a little bit softened. Also, it sometimes creates like a bubble on top. I recommend kind of scraping it off a little bit and then evening it out. It just makes it a lot simpler when the blade does go all the way through when you're making your ice cream. What's great about the Ninja is everything is really a lock and safety feature. Basically, if it doesn't click, it probably is not in the right place. There are also 7 different settings for this Ninja ice cream maker, but for the frozen banana, I am going to be using the smoothie bowl. So the blade has to go all the way through from the bottom to the top or top to the bottom. You can see it kind of mixing a little bit here, but it does come out amazing. I really like this frozen banana, and under only just a few minutes, and then you had it in. Again, I think the biggest thing is making sure you put something in the freezer the night before, but it comes out so good. What other recipes have you guys tried?